Oh my god. What are you doing here? How are you in here? What are you...
We got dude report.
You got dude report?
Oh yeah.
Does anyone else know?
Oh no, I didn't tell anybody, you know.
And I stood tall and did it my dude report!
We got dude report! No, guys, we all have to say it. Come on, alright, sure. 3, 2, 1. So the rest of the crew knows?
Yeah.
Including all the new kids?
Yeah.
Even the people that don't even know what dude report is?
Yeah.
And you waited a solid month before telling me.
It's close to 4. But yeah. In hindsight, I probably should have told you before I broke your downstairs window.
You did what?